So if you're having a problem with your Roblox marketplace force restart loading, this is how to fix it. So guys, welcome to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. Thank you also for clicking on this video. So when you're having a problem, such problem, you have to go to your phone menu and search for Play Store. So when you see it, click on it. But when you're using an iPhone, you have to search for App Store. So after searching for App Store or Play Store, just click on it. So guys, when you click on it, you have to come to this section. You have to click on the search app section over here. So click on that place. After that, then you type in Roblox. So when you type in Roblox, what you have to do is to share this Roblox. So you search in the Roblox to wait for it to load. So let's wait for it to load. So guys, as you can see, it has finished loading. Tap on it when you see the so when you tap on it, you're going to see this. So when you see play over here, leave it like that. But when you see something like this, update. So when you see this update, so when you see updates over here at the play section, so when you see this update at the play section, click on it to update. This one. So when you see it at the play section, you have to what? You have to click on it to update. So after updating it, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and search for settings. So when you see settings, tap on it on your phone. So after that, go to apps and preference, or apps and notification. And other phones, it's apps. So what you have to do is to tap on it. So when you tap on it, wait for it to load. So let's wait. It's going to finish right now. Okay, as you can see, it has finished. So when you see this, tap on see your apps. So when you tap on see your apps, what you have to do is to wait for it to load. After loading, scroll down and search for Roblox. So when you find it difficult to search for Roblox on your mobile phone, what you have to do is to just tap over here. So now when you tap on it, what you have to do is to type in Roblox. So when you type in Roblox, search, and you are going to see your Roblox app over here. So what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache to clear cache and also clear your storage. So after that, click on force stop. So after doing this, you are done. What you have to do next is for you to restart your mobile phone. And so after restarting your mobile phone, what you have to do is to go to your phone and search for your Roblox app. So when you see your Roblox app, just tap on it like this. Make sure you have a data connection. As you can see, I have a data connection. So wait for Roblox to load. So when your network or your connection is not strong, it's going to delay. So now as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see, just sign up or log in. So if you're new to it, just sign up. So if you already have an account, just click on login to log into your account. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you've learned something from this video. See you in my next video, and to share it to your friends who are finding this same problem on their phone. See you in my next video. Bye.